So short video, was having a terrible time removing this from the faucet. I tried heat, I tried this blaster stuff, WD-40, just stopped short of cutting this off. So what I ended up doing is I had one of these tools, you know, for under the sink. Put this on, use my Milwaukee Impact. Of course, you have to hold or counter hold the valve to make sure you're not going to loosen too much or break the pipe. So besides that took, you know, about 10 seconds, and the impact did its job. Hope this helps.